nagsabi na sa akin ngayon lang, ano? Ngayon lang. So, it's very surprising. Alam mo, ang first reaction ko ngayon, ayaw ko nang patulan yan. I don't want to dignify that. It's so foul. It's character assassination. Pareho naman po kami professional ng Pangulo. Pareho rin po kami public servants. So, sana hindi na ho siya nagre-resort sa ganyan na mga foul means. To me, that's very foul. Saan man nanggaling ang impormasyon na yan, sana dino-double check. Sana inaalam ang source. Kanino mga nanggaling yan na mga, that's really foul. Ayaw ko talagang i-dignify yan.
Ma'am, hindi makaka-apekto dun sa isasagawan?
Hindi po ako matitinag.
Ma'am, what do you make of the timing na lang that this happened?
Very bad timing. I don't know kung ano po agenda nila na they're resorting to character assassination. That is a very clear case of character assassination, and I did not expect the president to do that. Sa totoo lang.
Ma'am, parang... Okay. Thank you, ma'am.